The contraction of skeletal muscles generate the force necessary to move the skeleton. The contraction is triggered by a series of events called as cross-breath cycle. The skeletal muscle fiber has a functional unit called as sarcomere. The sarcomere shorten when myosin head, that is the thick myofilament, forms the cross bridge with the actin molecule, that is the thin myofilament. The formation of cross bridge is initiated when calcium ion is released from the sarcoplasmic reticulum to bind the troponin, and this causes troponin to change its shape. Tropomyosin moves away from the binding site, allowing the myosin head to bind with the actin. The myosin head must be activated before it forms the cross-bridge cycle. ATP binds to the myosin head, which is hydrolyzed to ADP and inorganic phosphate. Cross-bridge cycle, actually it is divided in 4 steps. First is cross-bridge formation. The activated myosin head forms the cross-bridge. Inorganic phosphate is released and the bond between actin and myosin becomes stronger. Second step is power stroke. ADP is released and this causes the activated myosin to slide the thin myofilament to the center of sarcomere. Third step is cross-bridge deattachment. When another ATP binds to the myosin, the link between myosin head and actin weakens and myosin head deattaches. Fourth step is reactivation of the myosin head. The ATP is hydrolyzed to ADP and inorganic phosphate. The energy is released during the hydrolysis and myosin head returns to its original position. The cycle is repeated and the sarcomere shortens, and this whole results in the contraction of the muscles. The cycle ends when calcium are transported back to the sarcoplasmic reticulum and troponin returns to its original position. This actually causes the closing of the active site of the actin. This is how the cross-bridge formation take place and contraction of the muscles occur. Hope you guys have understood how the contraction of muscles occur.